Hello there. I'm so glad you're taking a moment to take care of yourself today. We all know what it's like to feel overwhelmed by our thoughts and worries. It's like trying to swim through a sea of thoughts, and it can be exhausting. As we face our daily challenges, our minds can get stuck in a cycle of overthinking, replaying the same worries and doubts over and over again. It's like being trapped in a never-ending loop of what-ifs and maybes. Today, you're taking a step towards breaking free from that cycle. You're taking a moment to breathe, to relax, and to let go of some of that mental chatter. Now find a quiet, comfortable spot to sit with your back straight. Bring your hands together in a gentle prayer position. Take a moment to acknowledge the present moment. Let's take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, allow any tension or stress to release from your body. Feel your shoulders relax, your jaw unclench, and your heart rate slow down. As we continue to breathe, I'd like you to focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Feel your chest rise and fall, and your belly expand and contract. Allow any thoughts or worries to gently fade away. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground. The feeling of the air on your skin, and the rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to become fully present and grounded in your body. Bring your attention to the present moment, sensing the points of contact between your body and the surface you're resting on. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the feeling of the air on your skin, and the rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to become fully present and grounded in your body. Imagine yourself standing beside a quiet river, watching the water flow gently downstream. Notice how each thought or worry that arises is like a leaf floating on the surface of the river. Allow yourself to breathe in the peacefulness of the river and feel the calming effect of the gentle water. As you continue to observe the river, notice any thoughts or emotions that arise. Gently acknowledge them, and then allow them to pass by, like leaves on the river. Remember, there is no need to grab onto or try to change these thoughts. Simply allow them to flow by. Like the river, if a thought comes to you that feels peaceful or calming, take a moment to appreciate it. Then, return to the riverbank, allowing any other thoughts to flow by without judgment. Take a few more slow, deep breaths. Feeling your body relax and your mind calm. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and notice the world around you with a fresh and clear perspective. Remember, the goal of this meditation is not to stop your thoughts completely, but to learn to observe them without getting caught up in them. With regular practice, you can develop greater clarity and calmness in your daily life, sending you love and light and wishing you a beautiful day ahead. Namaste.